I know that not all of us can afford for those big steaming jobs. This helps so much. Okay, you guys, this is the steam cleaner. This is the tiny machine. Okay, and I only purchased this for $27 on SHEIN. I got it on sale. This is very, very durable. It is really reliable. I guess that all of you guys should get one, okay? This is one of the parts. This is the nozzle. You just place it in there, okay? You don't force it, you do it slowly. See? And you just twist here, right there, and it's in there. Secondly, we have the scrubbing brush. This one is mainly used for like your sofa areas, or if you would like to pass it on your bed or your windows. Take note that you do not use this product on cold glass, okay? You do not use it on cold glass. And the scrubbing brush also comes with this cloth, this microfiber cloth. You attach it right here, as you see that I am doing. Attach it right here, okay? And then you attach this part here to the steam cleaner, and then you put your water in whilst it's off. You do not put water in the steam cleaner whilst it's on. Whilst the switch is on, make sure that it is off, and then you go ahead and you begin steaming your sofas. We also have this long curved one, which is called the zozzle, and you attach this to it as well, or you can also attach this to it, the scrubbing brush. And you mainly use this to clean hard to reach areas like your glass windows or your ovens, so you can curve this. This is how it's shaped. But for some reason, this doesn't fit in the steam cleaner. Come on, SHEIN, you can do better than this. But not least, we have this curved nozzle. This is supposed to get into hard to reach areas like in between your car seats or in between your sofa corners.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible
To be used. So whilst using it, you press down on the steam button right here. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up this dirty chair. So if you've got any Febreze or fabric refresher, you go ahead and you spray it on your chair, on your sofa, and then you proceed with the steaming. I normally do a DIY, do it yourself. I just take some of those Downy Unstoppable beads, place them in a spray bottle, and I spray it all over my sofa. Then I proceed with my steaming, so this way my entire house smells great when I'm done. Okay? When you're done with the steaming, you let the machine cool out for about another 5 to 10 minutes, and then you press down on the steam button again to release all of the air, and you can proceed with removing whichever nozzle you decide to use, you guys, and everything is done. So let's jump into the other part of the video, showing you guys how we steam this dirty chair and the outcome. As you can see here, He is using the steamer just as promised. Okay, make sure you hold it in the handle and you press down on the steam button. This works perfect, as you can see. Do not attempt to hold the product at the bottom or in the center, okay, because this can cause burns to your skin. This is doing a wonderful job on our chair right now. Okay, I'm gonna ask him what he thinks. What do you think, Donovan?
I think it does a lovely job. It's not too heavy and it's very effective.
Okay.
Definitely a must have for the Christmas season.
Okay, it's very lightweight. Alright, you guys, as you can see here, this is the after of the steaming process. As you can see, this is exceptional. It looks much better than earlier on. Don't forget to like the video, leave your comment down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. And don't hesitate to let us know which other videos you guys would love to see on the channel and which products you would want us to review. Thank you for all the support.